This is 200 kilograms that our company produced for our customer. Equipment for crushing, conveying, and fermentation. After we receive the equipment, the first thing we need to do, it means connecting the power supply to the equipment. We need to connect to this transformer. Because the customer's voltage is different from ours, the customer needs to connect the power supply to phases A, B, and C. The customer only needs to connect 3 live wires and a grounding wire. Just connect the grounding wire here. After connecting the power, we can see the customer's voltage and the voltage at which our equipment operates. After the equipment is powered on, we also need to provide the equipment. Connect an exhaust pipe. This is the equipment's exhaust pipe. We need to connect it to the outside and the equipment's water inlet interface. The equipment needs to be connected to a water inlet pipe. Ensure the water pipes are always open. In this way, the equipment will be in a water shortage state. It will replenish its own water. We don't need to do anything extra ourselves. In addition to these devices, there is another place where a drain pipe needs to be connected. If used, we need to put this pipe directly connected to our drain pipe. It is the drain pipe that we use to transport the spiral. It has a pipe underneath, connected to the sewer. After the equipment is connected to these things, we still have a lubrication step to take. It's below our feed inlet on the gears of the crusher. We need to add lubricating oil. On the gears of our crusher, an appropriate amount of solid grease needs to be added. Chain of the mixing motor. It is constantly rotating. It needs to be lubricated with lubricating oil. After our equipment has been running for a period of time, it is constantly rotating the reducer of the mixing motor in our equipment and our brokenness, and the speed reducer of the conveyor equipment. The lubricating oil needs to be changed. Delivery, broken. When we have completed all the preparations, we need to perform equipment maintenance. After confirming that the voltage is normal, we can then proceed with the equipment testing. First, after we turn on the power, see the following touchscreen. We click the device's discharge button. We can then see the mixing motor in the mixing chamber. Rotate clockwise. If it rotates counterclockwise, we need to adjust. Our incoming power supply has phases A and B, or phase B and phase C. After confirming that the voltage sequence is normal, then we can start feeding materials into the equipment. This is the screen when the device is powered on. After we enter this scene, we click Opening button. The fermentation feeding hopper lid will open. When the feed hopper cover is at its highest position, we dump the garbage into this hopper. After the feeding is completed, we need to click the close button. Close the lid. After the lid is closed, the equipment's crusher and conveyor will operate automatically. Put the materials into the fermentation chamber. After we finished feeding the materials, then we can click Fermentation Run button. The fermentation system of the equipment has now started normally.